up, guys, and welcome to another edition of Market Marauders Beating the Market, one trade at a time. For new to Market Marauders investment channel, helps you to find best deals in the market. That's something you're interested in. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. All right, so I'll be going over my top penny stocks under $1. So let's jump into it. Hope everybody had a great week. I know it was a hectic week, a lot of stuff going on in politics. So hopefully everybody was able to lock in some profits, and hopefully these videos are helping you. First, if you'd like to join the private group, $10 a month for live streams as well as daily watch list. I have a link down below in the description. Also, if you'd like to sign up for Webull and get 4 free stocks when you deposit $100 or more, that's down below as well. First stock on the list, we have ticker sign GSAT for GSAT. They touched 62 cents this week, so that was their week high. Overall, still bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100, and the VWAP is above the moving average 10. So overall, pretty good metrics for them. Definitely going to be looking for them for some more movement in the coming weeks. So definitely going to be looking to see how they perform, especially since they had this rally this week. They ended the week at 56 cents. Then after hours went down 2 more cents to end at 54 cents. All right, so background on them. On the 7th, they released this statement, or this press release. It says Global Star announces Nokia deployment over licensed band 53 at Port of Seattle. So Global Star today announced the business partner Nokia has entered into an agreement with Tideworks Technology to deploy Global Star's band 53 spectrum at a Port of Seattle, Terminal 5. This deployment marks the second collaboration between Global Star and Nokia at the United States port. So partnering with Nokia on this for this Global Star Band 53, which I think is a pretty good thing moving forward. Both companies in the satellite and 5G space. So I think it's a good outlook for both companies. It definitely will help both of them increase their share prices as time goes on. Next on the list, we have ticker sign DYNT for Dynatronics. They touched 94 cents this week, ended the week at 93 cents. So overall 1 cent below where their week high was. So going to be looking for some movement on this one on Monday as well. They are bullish by moving average 10 line, being above the 50 and 100. But if we look, VWAP is below the moving average 10 line. So going to be looking for VWAP to cross that threshold again come Monday morning for another potential breakout. But it is positive, in my opinion, that they did end only 1 cent below their week high. So background on them. This is just some of the press releases that they have. That they announced R.J. Smith as the vice president of customer experience, and then they have their fiscal results. They're doing a lot of management. They got a new CFO, Norman Rogner. I hope I'm saying that right. So they're doing a lot of corporate or higher up moving around of people, which I think is a good sign that they're going to be restructuring, not like selling off, but in my opinion, I think they're going to be having the leadership at the top move around. Definitely helps the direction of any company. So looks like they've been pretty busy on that. Looking at some of the things that they sell, this is like their main product. It's the Solaris Plus, which is their platform. So this is the device that they sell. They sell a lot of other things, but this is one of the main devices that I saw when I clicked on it, which has electrotherapy, ultrasound, tri-wave light, and thermostimulation. So I'm assuming STEM is for stimulation. So it looks okay. It's pretty portable. Not really familiar with all these different therapeutics or therapies, but it seems like a pretty interesting technology and device. Definitely going to be interested to see, how this new person, this R.J. Smith, helps the customer experience portion, potentially seeing some more ads or something coming out for this as time goes on. So I think it's very interesting technology, very interesting company. It's all public information, so you all can go look it up as well. Next, we have ticker sign MBRX for Molecular. They touched 96 cents this week, so that was their week high. If we see on here, they are bearish, denoted by moving average 10 line, being below 50 and 100. They did close at 94 cents, but the close of 94 cents is actually above this line. So when the market opens on Monday, I expect this moving average 10 line to be above the moving average 50 line and to be bullish. Also, I expect VWAP to be up as well, considering that they end at 10 cents above their close to end at $1.04. So ultimately, a lot of movement coming from this one, and they're going to be starting above their week high price. So their week high was 96 cents, and they ended the week after hours from this 10.64% rally to go up $1 to end at $1.04. So I think overall it's a really positive metric for the company. Going to be looking to see how they perform, as time goes on, especially when the market opens on Monday with this large amount of volume and this price movement. Background on them: they had a presentation at this HC Wainwright BioConnect 2021 conference, and I think that's scheduled for the 11th through 13th. So that's going to be next week. One thing that I think is very interesting that I'm pretty sure they're going to address is this. They got FDA permission to begin clinical study for this drug right here, and then they got FDA approval to do this orphan drug designation for soft tissue of sarcomas. So this is for the lung disease, and this is for the lung disease as well, I think. So, definitely going to be looking to see what updates come from this, especially since, they get FDA clearance, or FDA is reviewing some of their documents and their research. So, going to be looking to see overall how that performs during this conference. So the conference is going to be next week. So I'm expecting to see some more updates from the company shortly after that. So going to be an interesting week price-wise for this company after those updates come out. Next, we have ticker sign ZOM for Zomedica. If we see on here, they touched 59 cents. So that was their high. They kind of went sideways after that, kind of back to the levels that they were when they touched that metric, though. They are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. VWAP is below moving average 10. So maybe possibly some sideways momentum at open. But once that crosses that threshold, going to be looking for this to go back up. They ended at 48 cents. Last week, so to close the week, they ended at 48 cents. After hours went up to 49 cents. So a little bit of momentum to end the week with them, but going to overall still be looking to see how they perform when the market opens. If that volume can get up, then we'll see how they actually close the day out for Monday. Background on them: they have an article that came out the 4th that they appointed Robert Cohen, CEO, as company's nears commercialization of Taforma. I hope I'm saying that right. So they are pets company that makes different drugs and vaccines and pharmaceuticals for pets. The pet industry, in my opinion, is continuing to grow at an all-time rate. If we see companies like Chewy, there's a whole company that focuses on delivering of pet food and pet supplies, and Chewy has done fantastic ever since they began as a company. So they've just had continuous years of growth. So I think pets are a priority in a lot of people's lives. So I think a company that makes pharmaceuticals for pets will definitely be looked at highly or favorably and have really good growth as a company. So last on the list, we have ticker sign USWS for US Well Services Incorporated. This week they touched 52 cents. They ended the week at 48 cents. But the metric I want you all to look at is right here. They had a rally of 12.27% after hours to end the week at 55 cents. So 55 cents is above this 52 cent week high. So I'm definitely going to be looking at them for some early morning movement as far as Monday is concerned, especially since they have that momentum of ending the week above their weekday high. Now moving average 10 is above 50 and 100, so they are bullish on that metric. And then second indication, VWAP is still above moving average 10. So both confirmations, are positive. So definitely, if that aspect alone, going to be looking for them to continue to go up. Background on them, this is from their November quarter financial results. So USWS Services third quarter 2020 financial results. This did come out in November, so it's kind of old news. Going to be looking for some more updates coming from them because it's probably going to be the end of another quarter coming up. So going to keep your eyes out for that in their press releases. And bear in mind, it's all public information, so you can go to their website and look this stuff up too. But based on their past third quarter results, we see they average 4.2 fully utilized fleets compared to 3.4 fully utilized fleets during the second quarter of 2020. So they've increased their amount of fleets. Total revenue of $44 million compared to $39.8 million the second quarter. So they've increased their revenue. So there's two positive metrics already. Net loss attributed to the company was $15.9 million compared to a net loss of $18.1 million in the second quarter. Now you may be saying $15.9 million is a large loss, but when a company can consolidate $3 million, roughly plus or minus $3 million net loss, and consolidate that to slow down their burn rate, I think that's a positive metric overall. So basically they're slowing down their burn rate as well as increasing their amount of money that they're making. And then overall increasing their fleet. So I think if they continue to have numbers like this, or if they expand or improve on the numbers for the next quarter that comes out, the fourth quarter, then I'm definitely going to be looking at this one to potentially go above $1. So going to keep a close eye on this one, especially with the momentum surrounding it this week, and going to see what level they will actually touch. So good luck to everybody out there trading this week. Again, make sure you go check out the link down below for the Patreon group. And if you like to sign up for Webull and get 4 free stocks when you deposit $100 or more, that link is down below as well. All right, good luck to everybody. Hope you all have a safe weekend. And I'll see y'all next week for some more trading. Peace.